So when doing videos for the Sewing Mastery channel, we're doing videos right now on the Pfaff Quilt Expression 720. I was doing something earlier and I was playing around with the scallop stitch. And I had accidentally gone into the sewing program menu and I was showing that this is where you can do tapering. And I had touched the tapering and ended up with a decorative stitch that I had never thought about. So what it does is it actually tapers the first part of the stitch. On this one it's a 30-degree taper at the beginning, and this one it was set for it's not even the same, it's a taper of a 45-degree to the right. On the other one, it's not even the same stitch, but depending on which way, so I just did it one time. I stitched, stitch, 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 and the other one I stitched, one went clockwise and one went counterclockwise. You can see that that's how I got the points from the inside to go in or out. But isn't that amazing? And actually, if I change this to a 30-degree there, that would, well, see, and I kind of like it. The 45 option, so touch and hold, I was right here. But even too, maybe I can change this one. This is what I love. This is what I used to get paid to do, is play with the different settings. There, that would probably be more the balanced stitch that I'd be looking for. But how fun is that? So tapering a scallop stitch. This one, okay, here, let's do 60-degree in the... Yep, that would be a whole nother stitch. But can you imagine tapering or trying different tapering on different stitches? You will never know what you're going to get unless you try it out. So even just for fun, how about a totally different stitch altogether? Oh, that's a big one. Ooh, can I taper that one? Nope, can't taper the maxi stitches. That's okay, see, that's how you learn. All right, how about, let's see here, do we have some other fun ones? Oh my gosh, it's never ending here. So how about even this one? And go to our sewing program and tapering options. You can do so much. Oh my gosh, you guys got to play with your machines and try out different things so you can see. Okay, some are not going to look great, but when you get to something that you absolutely love, you can definitely see the potential you have for turning a stitch into something totally different. So if you are looking for a place to play, check out our Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course. There are links below this YouTube video where you can try out even more stitches with your machine as you watch me make this entire quilt and learn over 25 different sewing techniques and 18 different presser feet. So check them out. You can watch 10 videos for free. Love to have you in the course sometime to really maximize everything your machine will do.